Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see a short tutorial on Muet Cefr listening titled How to Prepare Yourself to Answer Muet Cefr Listening Paper. There is only one tip to prepare yourself, that is to answer sample CEFR listening question papers, one a day. So where can you get these sample question papers? You can visit the website links on the Blackboard. So let's move on more further. As you can see on the Blackboard, this is how you can go about with the given websites. So try to browse through the websites and answer the sample listening questions. How to answer the sample questions? You need to start answering the sample CEFR listening paper according to the levels. Start from A1 all the way up to C2, which is from movers to proficiency. As you can see on the Blackboard, you need to follow according to the levels because when you follow according to the levels, you can familiarize yourself listening to audios which are easy to hard and also familiarize yourself by answering easy to hard listening questions. That is all for today's lesson. We'll see students in the next lesson. Please do subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel so that you can always get updated with new tutorial videos. Thank you.